Wireless earbuds are a great way to listen to music or take calls without being tethered to a device. There are many different models available with varying features and price points. Our favorite wireless earbuds are listed here, along with a brief description of each. Number 6. Google Pixel Buds A Series. The Google Pixel Buds A Series are wireless earbuds that are comfortable to wear, have solid sound quality, and look good. They are also very affordable, making them a great option for most people. In addition to having a long battery life and being sweat-resistant, these earbuds also pair quickly with Android devices and have excellent Google Assistant integration, making them a great choice for those who use Android smartphones. Number 5. Sony WF-1000XM4. This earbud is the best wireless earbud for people who want to block out the world around them. The earbuds are chunky, but they have foam ear tips and Sony's digital signal processing that make them very effective at blocking out noise. The companion app allows users to adjust the equalization and choose how much outside sound they want to hear. The earbuds can also be set to detect when you're speaking and auto-pause the music, which is convenient for when you need to have a quick conversation with someone. Number 4. Beats Powerbeats Pro. The Beats Powerbeats Pro is better than the AirPods and many other earbuds on the market. They are designed to stay in your ear during the sweetest workout and are water-resistant. They also have a long battery life and sound great. One of the most helpful features is that they automatically pause or route calls back to your phone if you take one of them out of your ear. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Samsung's Galaxy Buds 2 Pro is the company's best buds, offering hyper-clean hi-fi sound, a comfortable fit, and 5 hours of playback with noise canceling per charge. They also have an IPX7 rating, meaning they're good for workouts, and the ability to do spatial audio and 24-bit sound, provided you have a modern Samsung device to pair these two, making them ideal for those who want the most out of their Samsung phone. Number 2. Beats Fit Pro. Beats Fit Pro earbuds are designed for comfort and have 6 hours of battery life with active noise canceling, making them the best earbuds for the iPhone, according to the author. They have the same H1 chip as Apple's AirPods and AirPods Pro. They also work well with Android devices, thanks to an app that allows you to adjust the functions of the buttons and take a fit test. Number 1. Apple AirPods Pro. The Apple AirPods Pro is an expensive earbud that offers a paltry 4.5 hours of battery life. However, they are still solid for anyone using Apple hardware, whether it's a Mac, iPhone, or iPad. The company's H1 chip allows for near-instant pairing, active noise canceling, removes unwanted background noise, and silicone ear tips, a first for AirPods. Make them comfortable. You also get the ability to seamlessly switch between Apple devices, which is always a plus.